Topic is population forecasting method. Under this category, geometric increase method. Geometric increase method or uniform increase method. In this method, the per decade percentage increase or percentage growth rate R is assumed to be constant, and the increase is compounded over the existing population in every decade. The above geometric increase expressed as P1 is equal to population after 1 decade or future population is equal to P0 plus R upon 100 into P0, where R is the growth rate in percentage, P0 is present population. So P0 is common, P0 into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 1. Similarly, P2 is equal to population after 2 decade is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 into P1. So P1 is common into P1 into 1 plus R upon 100, and value of P1, this value is put in this equation. So P2 is equal to P0 into 1 plus R upon 100 into 1 plus R upon 100. So hence is equal to P0 into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 2. Similarly, P3 is equal to population after 3 decade is equal to P2 plus R upon 100 into P2, P2 common into 1 plus R upon 100 and put the value of P2. So is equal to P0 into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 3. So in geometric proceeding in this way, we can write Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n, where P0 is equal to initial population at present, that is at the end of last known census. And Pn is equal to future population after n decade from now. And R is equal to assumed growth rate in percentage. This assumed growth rate R can be computed in many ways from the past known data. 4 methods are as follows for determining the growth rate. R is equal to T root into P2 upon P1 minus 1, where P1 is equal to initial known population, P2 is equal to final known population, and T is equal to number of decades, periods between P1 and P2. Second method for growth rate R is equal to increase in population upon original population into 100. Third, R is equal to constant per decade increase is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on upon T, total time. And fourth is T root R1 into R2 into R3 and so on. The design engineers in the field generally consider the arithmetic mean because it is slightly higher than the geometric mean. This method of geometric increase, population forecasting of geometrical increase method, we can understand from this example. The population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given in the table. Find out the population after 1 decade, 2 decade and 3 decades beyond the last known decade by using geometric increase method. This is the given data. Year 1930. In 1930, population is 25,000. After 1 decade, in 1940, population is 28,000, and in 1950, population 34,000, and after a decade, 1960, population is increased, population 42,000, and in 1970, population is 47,000. Here is a solution. Here is a year 1930 to 1970 increase in population in each decade, and here fourth column is percentage increase in population, that is growth rate R. In 1930, growth rate R is equal to column 3, this upon column 2. In 1930, population is 25,000. 1940, population is 28,000. Increase in 1930 to 1940, increase is 3,000. So this is the arithmetic increase. Now 1940 to 1950, increase in one decade 6,000, and 1950 to 1960, population increase 34,000 to 42,000, increase is 8,000. And 1960 to 1970, population 42,000 to 47,000, and increase is 5,000. This is the arithmetic increase. Now we can use geometric increase method. So growth rate, find out the growth rate. 3,000 population over the population of 25,000 increase. So growth rate is 3,000 upon 25,000 into 100 is equal to 12% growth rate in one decade, 1930 to 1940 decade. And similarly, 6,000 growth in second decade. So percentage wise growth rate is 6,000, population 28,000. So 6,000 upon 28,000 into 100 is equal to 21.4%. And similarly, third decade, in third decade, increased 8,000. 8,000 upon 34,000 into 100 is equal to 23.5%. And in decade 1960 to 1970, fourth increase is 5,000 over the population of 42,000. 5,000 upon 42,000 increase, growth rate increase is equal to 11.9%. This is the growth rate in individual decade. The geometric mean of the growth rate R is equal to fourth root 12 into 12 percentage into 21.4 percentage into 23.5 percentage into 11.9 percentage. So R is equal to 16.37 percentage per decade. Now assuming that the future population increases at this constant rate 16.37 percentage, we have a formula Pn is equal to geometric increase method. In geometric increase method, formula is Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R is 16.37. R upon 100 is 0.1637 to the power n. First of all, is equal to P0 into 1.1637 to the power n, using n is equal to after 1 decade, 2 decade and 3 decade. So using n is equal to 1 to 3 decades, we have the population after 1 decade. That is for the year, in year 1980, population is P1 is equal to 9P 1980 is equal to 47,000. 47,000 in 1970. Population 47,000 population in last known decade, that is 1970. 47,000 into 1.1637 is equal to 54,694. Similarly, P2 is equal to population in 1990. P 1990 is equal to population after 2 decades. N is equal to, here n is equal to 1, here n is equal to 2, is equal to 47,000 into 1.1637 to the power 2 is equal to 63,647 population. Similarly, after 3 decades, in year 2000, P2000 is equal to population after 3 decades is equal to P0 into this factor to the power n, and here n is equal to 3. 47 population in 1970, last known census. 47,000 into 1.1637 to the power 3 is equal to 74,066 population in year 2000. This method also gives not exact data, but geometric increase method is better than arithmetic increase method. This is the population forecasting method, geometric increase method,